I gonna do with this guy? I already have one. I know what I'm gonna do. Ooh. Sparkly. Oh, that's nice. So now I have a blue torso, a bunch of black arms. What am I gonna do with this? Oh, you know what I'm gonna do with this. It's Disco Skeletor time. Why don't we put together the leftovers? See what kind of guy we make here. Okay, so that's all black. We'll probably go ahead and paint that gold on this one. Well, no, I need to look at the picture. I don't know yet. This is the leftover dude. This is going to be odd. If you got any ideas on what to do with this guy, he's weird, let me know in the comments. Maybe we'll make a new custom. Time for the gilding paint. Stuff works pretty good. Do have to watch it though. Sometimes it can make some of the rubber a little soft. And by a little soft, I mean a lot soft. So yeah. Don't forget, he had a weird head face too, so I gotta repaint this. The hood was black, the face was orange and lime green, something like that. So we'll get to that too. So at this point, it's way later. And I ended up having to repaint this because that stuff, remember how I said it wouldn't dry? So I hit this with a 2-shot aged bronze or something I already had. And it has dried and I can touch it without stuff coming off. It still feels green, but I think that's because of the under part being painted by that. So this here is supposed to be orange, but I've been painting on this ram's head for a while, and you know what? In the video that looks way better than it actually looks in person. I'm just not real happy with the way it's coming out, so I'm not going to do that for this, at least for now. But I am going to add some highlights with the paint that I said wouldn't dry, because now that paint will be on top of the other paint. That paint has dried, so that should dry on that. So yeah. Okay, so I was gonna add a little red to that, or wherever it was, but this is, yeah, it's, I don't know why it's in my box. It's dry. So, that's gonna be okay. Oh, I did it again. Man, this thing has been a gigantic pain. That gold just won't dry. It needs to sit on the shelf for a couple years. I'll fix it later. Good Lord. I know there's a little bit longer video than the last few, but at least you can see that not everything goes right. And sometimes on these paints, what you need to do is just go ahead and paint the whole thing as a test to see if it's going to cause problems. And then that makes your life easier. And by easier, I mean harder. But that's fine. I haven't redone this like 3 times. But it's totally going to be worth it when it's on the shelf and I never touch it. Okay. Now, check my hands for stuff. Well, hit the camera 5 times. Let's get this on there. It wasn't too bad. Oh, geez. Oh, I need to check my fingers. Yep, we're good. There's just nowhere good to grab him. Oh, okay. We're good. Check the fingers. Let's get this sword in his hand. Here we go. That needs to never come out. Get this in his hand. All right, now I'm going to do some poses, take some pictures, and finish up this video. Look at that. He looks great. Just don't touch him.